Socializing 60. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 67, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that the blood, property, and honor of a Muslim are sacred in Islam. This narration, like many others, teaches Muslims that success can only be obtained when one fulfills the rights of Allah, the Exalted, such as the obligatory prayers and the rights of people. One without the other is not good enough. Justice will be established on Judgment Day, whereby an oppressor will be forced to hand over their good deeds to their victims, and if necessary, the oppressor will be given the sins of their victims. This may cause the oppressor to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. A true believer and Muslim is the one who keeps their verbal and physical harm away from the self and possessions of others. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4998. Therefore, it is vital for Muslims not to harm others through their actions or words. A Muslim must respect the possessions of others and not try to wrongfully acquire them, for example, in a legal case. A narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 353, warns that someone who does this will go to hell, even if the thing they acquired was as insignificant as a twig of a tree. Muslims should only use the possessions of others according to their wishes, and return them in a way pleasing to its owner. One should treat the possessions of others in a way they want people to treat their own possessions. The honor of a Muslim should not be violated through actions or speech, such as backbiting or slander. A Muslim should instead defend the honor of others, whether in their presence or absence, as this will lead to their protection from the fire of hell. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 1931. One should only speak about others in a way they wish others to speak about them. One should therefore speak good or remain silent. To conclude, one should avoid wronging the self, possessions or honor of others by treating others exactly how they desire others to treat them. Just like one loves this for themselves, they should love it for others and prove this through their actions and speech. This is the sign of a true believer, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 2515. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.